Nation, what is up? We're back with another video on the Batman, the 2004 animated series, and today we're starting Season 2. Yep, all new season, and the first episode is titled, The Cat, the Bat, and the Ugly. In this episode, we got Batman, Catwoman, and Penguin all involved. Guys, that is a stellar lineup that could lead to a pretty awesome episode. Like, there's a lot of potential here, and I hope this season starts out the bang, because last season was so good. It wrapped up well with the Clayface two-parter, brought the whole first season together, and I'm just ready for more. I'm ready for more awesome episodes from this great series. But yeah, guys, no me talking, your latest reaction to the Batman starts now. Okay. Is Catwoman pulling another heist? Yep. Dude, Catwoman's design in the show is so cool.
Meow.
Penguin. Oh, so they're both trying to steal it.
It's a cat. The jewel's mine.
Penguin versus Catwoman.
And so do my companions.
Oh yeah, the Kayuki twins. I want to see this fight. Catwoman against them, because they're pretty skilled.
Well, Mama Cobblepot did always say I was a handsome one.
Penguin, don't get caught up in her acts.
You know, perhaps we can come to some sort of arrangement.
She's about to steal it.
What you had in mind, good looking.
This gem happens to be one of a pair. The cat is all yours.
Okay.
If you help me steal the true object of my desire.
What is that? Okay, Catwoman and Penguin teaming up. That's actually pretty cool. I do want to see a fight between the twins and Catwoman though. Dude, this theme never gets old. Always gets me so hyped. One of the best intros in all animation, period. Alright, let's go. Let's get Season 2 started. Okay, so it's just a big blaster. I thought the entire sky... Okay. Dude, that was pretty cool actually, how Batman swung into frame. But, okay, I thought the thing that Penguin was trying to do was turn the night into day.
Yes.
Trust me, detective. It's complicated.
I have to trust you. You're needed.
Yeah.
Penguin's holding Gotham hostage with some sort of...
Ancient Egyptian light machine. I know. And I know where to find him. The only bird's eye view of Gotham with a powerful enough light source.
Yeah.
If Penguin sees
We
us
better
coming,
get,
he might
or
get
I
killed.
better get like a full-on
there's
fight
only one
between
stair.
Catwoman and the
We don't need
Kayuki
stairs.
twins. Because we got a brief fight, but not... Whoa! Okay. The Bat and the Cats. Teaming up.
Aren't seagulls usually white?
The Penguin's birds.
Yeah. Oh no. Keep going. Okay, that's one of the twins, but where's the other? Oh! Dude, oh no. Yep.
Here comes Miss
This
Congeniality.
is not good. Dude, tension's high, like the suspense.
Up you go.
Yeah, throw her up. Nice. They just switched places. That was good. Yeah. Alright, they stopped the birds, but now they gotta fight it off against one of that. Yep. Just in time. Where's the other twin? Oh, there we go. I was wondering. I was like, where's the other? Okay, that's dope. Dude, that was so freaking awesome.
I never did get my saucer of milk.
Let's go. This is dope. Ooh, scratched her face. Dude, I want to know the origin of the Kayuki twins. Oh, that's one down, or not. She's just gonna climb her way back up. Nice. Dude, that was pretty
I
good.
could dance all night, partner.
Let's shake a crow from
Partners.
his nest.
Dude, Batman and Catwoman, such a good team up. Alright, Penguin defeated.
Well, look what the cat dragged in.
It's over, Penguin.
Bye-bye, birdie.
Any closer, and Gotham Children's Hospital is rubble.
He's going after
I
a
possess
children's
the power of
hospital.
I, Penguin, Pharaoh of Gotham.
Pharaoh of Gotham. Oh. No. Dude, they need to stop that. Come on. Nice. Sends the blast straight in the sky. Okay. Batman saved Catwoman, but, okay. Good that Penguin was there to, okay, and they got the key. Now they can separate.
The cat.
Even after all we've been through, come on.
Hand it
throw dog a
over.
bone. Oh, all right. Sorry, handsome.
No! Man, I should've knew that was coming. Oh,
Not so fast, kitty cat.
Penguin's not gonna let her get away.
The triple crosses end here.
The triple cross.
What a deal, fish breath.
They're gonna break it. Nice.
Hey,
Ha. Dude, Batman just outsmarted both of them.
come on.
Whoa.
Hang on. Here's our ride.
Okay. Come on, Batman.
Now take us to your spare key.
Huh? What spare key?
He doesn't have a spare key. Dude, okay, that was the first time I've seen Batman smile in a while. That was nice.
Batman?
The coast is clear, Detective.
Awesome
But I highly
shots.
recommend keeping the relics separated. I know this may sound shady, but it might be best if I held on to one for safekeeping.
Yeah. Trust
Go right ahead,
him.
Batman.
I trust you.
Okay. Dude, Yin and Batman have a good trust. Oh, heck yeah! That is so awesome! A bat signal? Dude, that is so dope! Good beats. But guys, that was one heck of an ending. Those final few shots of Batman with the relics and the signal shine in the sky and we see the bat signal, freaking epic. And I really like how this episode focused on Yin gaining the, or not Yin gaining the trust of Batman, more Batman gaining the trust of Yin. Yin was kind of skeptical at the beginning, but eventually she came around. She trusts Batman. And I like that. It's a good opener for the season. There's a lot of action in this episode. The story of how, like, these two relics that are from, like, the Egyptian sun god, and they create, like, this huge blast, and Penguin was going to destroy Gotham City with it. It had high stakes. Just that type of power, the power of the sun, that is super high stakes, gets you into the conflict. Like, I was invested in the story, and yeah, seeing Catwoman back, seeing Penguin, seeing them team up at the beginning, Catwoman try to double-cross Penguin, but Penguin double-crossed her first, and seeing Batman and Catwoman team up for like most of the episode, see their dynamic, just that back and forth, like their dynamic is unmatched. It's done so well on the show, and then eventually that final fight, and seeing Penguin and Catwoman try to triple cross each other, that one fight of Batman, Catwoman, and the Kayuki twins was dope. I really like the Kayuki twins. Like, they're actually really cool characters. They add to the action sequences. Every action sequence that they're in, it's super cool. I would like to see an origin episode centered around them. You guys tell me down below if we eventually get that. I really hope we do. Because an origin for those two twins, I'm interested in that. Like, they're actually super interesting characters and have great designs. Now, by the end of the episode, everything wrapped up. Penguin and Catwoman get away, but they don't have a spare key, so they're stuck together. So they're not going to be a problem for Batman for a little bit. But now Batman and Yin, they're on good terms. Gotham still has a bunch of villains. And I'm excited to see what other villains will show up on the season and where this Batman story will go. I'm gonna give this episode an 8.5 out of 10. It was a great season 2 premiere. And yeah, you guys, some of your thoughts on this episode down below. If you like the video, give a big thumbs up. You should make sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my next The Batman reaction and review. And yeah, thanks for watching and peace out.